Hi there, this is Dr. Danny Tong, and welcome to another rehab session. In this video, I will be talking about the biomechanic of the shoulder and the movement of the shoulder. Okay, so this is what we're looking at here, the shoulder. We're looking from the back. This is the shoulder blade, and this is your arm. This is the glenohumeral joint right here, which is the main joint of the shoulder. There's 4 joints that make up the shoulder, but this is the main one, the glenohumeral joint. Anyway, the supraspinatus muscle will go through here. It will start take up this whole space, and it will tunnel down. It will go through there and exit through there. Okay. It goes out and exit and attached to here. Right here, all back in here, all this space, this is reserved for the infraspinatus muscle. So if my hand is the infraspinatus muscle, it will cover this whole space. It'll cover like that. Okay? Looking from the front, from the side, this is what the shoulder blade will, your shoulder joint will look like. The space here, it's reserved for the bursa and the supraspinatus tendon. In the front, again, the shoulder blade, the front of the shoulder, and this is reserved for the subscapularis muscle here. This is your arm, and this is the long head of the bicep tendon. And of course, this is your collarbone. Okay, and the collarbone is directly attached to the shoulder blade. Okay, so again, this is from the front. This is the glenohumeral joint, looking from the front. Okay, so I'll turn it around again. So when you move your arm forward, just focus on the glenohumeral joint right here. So when you move your arm forward, this is what it looks like. So there's a lot of unused articulating surface that is left when you move your arm forward. When you move your arm backward, this is what it looks like. So looking from the front, when you move your arm backward, again, there's a lot of unused articulating surface here. Okay. So when you move your arm backward, sometimes you feel a lot of tightness and pulling in front of the arm. You see how the long head of the bicep tendon is being stretched. Okay. Looking from the back again. If you turn your arm in, this is what it looks like. If you turn your arm out, that's what it looks like. And if you move your arm to the side, that's what it looks like. But there's a problem. Look at the model here. If you move your arm to the side, if you lift your arm up from the side, eventually this bone will hit that. Okay, so look. Bang. Bang. It's going to hit that. So in other words, if this hit that, you're not going to be able to lift your arm 180 degrees, okay? But there's a way to overcome that. So pretend my 2 fingers are the arm. If this continued to hit that, we're not going to be able to lift the arm all the way up. So there's a way to overcome that. Okay, so this is how your shoulder works. When you lift the arm sideways, as I said before, there's a lot of unused surface here that are being left. But when you start lifting the arm sideways, this whole thing will start to slide down to articulate with these. Okay? So when you lift your arm, it will start to slide down to make contact with the glenoid process here. Okay? I don't want to wreck the model, but essentially that's what going to happen. So it'll be like this. It can go. Okay, when you lift your arm, you're gonna go like that. Okay. The other thing is when this joint starts to slide down, as you lift your arm, the shoulder blade will also start to rotate. Okay, it will rotate up and out like that. Okay, when it does that, you see that it increases the space here. Okay, just me holding the arm still. If I rotate the shoulder blade, I automatically increase that space. So with this rotation of the shoulder blade and the sliding mechanism of the humeral head, you have a lot more space to lift the arm. Okay, but there's one more thing. Remember what I said earlier. I said that the collarbone is directly attached to the shoulder blade here. Okay, and you look at the shape of the collarbone. It's shaped like an S. Okay, like a little crankshaft. You know, the movement involved the AC joint. It's the collarbone can rotate in and up like that. I mean down and up like that, and it can also shift down and up. Okay, so through those combination of movement, it allows the shoulder blade to rotate out like that as you lift the arm. Okay. You know, I'll go in the second video. I'll go through in greater detail of the pathology and the injury that can occur to the shoulder joint. Anyway, if you have any other question, just click on the link that I provided, and I'll answer any question you have. And I hope you learned something new today. Thanks for watching. Take care.